Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Skincare with Muskan. So in this video we'll be talking about the beginner skincare routine. So if you are new to skincare and you really don't know where to start from, keep watching this video because I'll be discussing the 3 core ingredients of skincare which you need to add in your skincare routine. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. So the 3 products I've been talking about are all from Pilgrim and I'm obsessed with them. But let me first talk about the brand. So Pilgrim is a global brand bringing natural beauty traditions from all across the world. Though all the ingredients are sourced globally, but they are made in India and 100% vegan and cruelty free and also FDA approved. Oh yeah, so let's finally move on to my skincare routine. So the first step is cleansing. For that I use this volcanic lava ash. So this is how it looks. It comes in a very cute and travel friendly packaging. And it is convenient to use and it is also hassle free. Now what you need to do is you need to take a pea size amount of this product and you need to apply it onto your face and wash it off with normal water. So that's it. You are good to go. So basically as it has lava ash which acts as a dirt magnet and it sucks up all the dirt, pollutants and the excess oil in our face. Also my skin feels hydrated, my skin feels brightened and it's also free of all the dirts and dust. And the most important thing is it's a perfect one for all skin types. Like it works really well for each and every skin type. So this is all about the first step. So now the next product that I use is this niacinamide and alpha arbutin skin clarifying serum. So this is how it looks. This comes in a very convenient packaging. You can definitely see this here. So the price of this is rupees 650 and this is quite worth it because this is a very lightweight serum. It does not feel sticky after applying and obviously the consistency of the serum is quite good. It gets absorbed into your skin easily, leaves a nice subtle glow into your skin. What I love the most about this product is it has niacinamide and alpha arbutin, which are the key ingredients in skincare. Like as it has alpha arbutin, which prevents future breakouts, pigmentations, acne scars, and it also fades dark patches on our skin. So this is the perfect serum I could definitely suggest. So this is basically the magical ingredient in my skincare routine, which you all should definitely try. Like this is the must for you all. So lastly we have Lotus day cream with SPF 50. Now as it has SPF 50, which means you don't need to apply another SPF like another sunscreen. So what I love most about the product is the smell of the product. The smell of the product is really nice. So it comes under this packaging. You can see the packaging here, and so this is the product. So basically what I like the most about it is the smell. It has a refreshing smell and after applying this product my skin feels refreshed and brightened also. So now this is the consistency of the product. You can see, so this is the product and after applying this, oh, the smell is really nice. After applying this product, my skin feels soft. I am in love with this product. So that's all guys, that's the end of my skincare routine. Also guys, Pilgrim has launched their 5 new serums: anti-acne serum, skin clarifying serum, skin brightening serum, and lift and firm serum, and advanced hair growth serum. According to your concern, you can definitely choose them out. Link is there in the description box below. And also use my code here to get an additional 15% discount on their official website. Also don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for some latest skincare videos, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.